Hello dear children, welcome back to Uma Talks, and here today I'm there with a sample question paper for you all. Okay, this is for standard 12th biology paper for 2021. Okay, so the format, the pattern I've already discussed with you, and today I'm sharing this sample question paper. Okay, so you can just see how it is. The subject code 044. Okay, time 3 hours, maximum mark 70. The instructions you already know, I've already shared it in the pattern, but still all questions are compulsory. The question paper has 4 sections, A, B and C, and section D. There are 33 questions in the question paper. Section A has 14 questions of 1 mark each and 2 case-based questions. Section B has 9 questions of 2 marks each, and section C has 5 questions of 3 marks each. Section D has 3 questions of 5 marks each. And there is no overall choice. However, internal choices have been provided in some questions. A student has to attempt only one of the alternatives in such questions wherever necessary. And neat and properly labeled diagrams, which I have been telling you always, okay, very, very important, you should be drawing. So finally we come to section A. Okay, I hope it's very clear. You are able to read the paper. Okay, so the first question, why does endosperm development precede embryo development? Okay, if you want the answer scheme, the marking scheme, that also I will not read out, I'll just share it with you so that you can check your answers. Okay, so the first, why does endosperm development precede embryo development? Second, how many meiotic divisions are required to produce 76 seeds in guava fruit? Okay, how does pollination take place in water hyacinth and water lily? Fourth, name the glands that contribute to human seminal plasma. And fifth is, a snapdragon plant with violet flowers was crossed with another such plant with white flowers. The F1 progeny obtained had pink flowers. Explain in brief the inheritance pattern seen in offsprings of F1 generation. Sixth is, differentiate between aneuploidy and polyploidy. Seventh, predict the effect if the codon UAU, coding for an amino acid at the 25th position of a polypeptide of 50 amino acids, is mutated to UAA. Now, eighth, differentiate between pro-insulin and mature insulin. Ninth, name the commonly used vector for cloning genes into higher organisms. And tenth, which of the three forests, temperate, mangrove and tropical evergreen, is more vulnerable to invasion by outside animals and plants? Okay, so this is your section A. 10 questions we have already finished. Then finally I come to the 11th question. Yes, 11th is assertion and reason. Okay, so what it is, assertion, primary transcripts in eukaryotes are non-functional. Okay, the reason is methyl guanosine triphosphate is attached to the fifth end of heterogeneous RNA. Okay, and you'll have to say which one is correct. So first one is, both assertion and reason are true. The reason is correct. Explanation of assertion, both assertion and reason are true. Okay, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true but reason is false. Both assertion and reason are false. Okay, or there's an option over here. This is assertion, an organism with lethal mutation may not even develop beyond the zygote stage, and the reason is all types of gene mutations are lethal. And A, B and C, D as it is as the earlier ones. Let's move to 12th. Okay, assertion, E. coli having PBR 322 with DNA insert at BAM H1 site cannot grow in medium containing tetracycline. Okay, the reason, recognition site for BAM H1 is present in tetracycline region of PBR 322. Okay, again the 4 options you have to choose. Okay, then we move to 13. Assertion, a community with more species is more stable than that with less species, and the reason, more the number of species, lesser the variation in the total biomass production year after year, and the 4 options. Okay, so this is the first page. Up till 13th question we have completed. Next we move to 14th. Okay, so here it is, the assertion. It is like in Ophira, one petal of the flower bears an uncanny resemblance to the female bee. Okay, and the reason two closely related species competing for the same source can coexist simultaneously. Okay, again, just as the above four options. Okay, and then here we come to the other two more questions. Okay, so this is 15th. Read the following and answer any four questions from 15.1 to 15.5. Here four questions, one paragraph, and five questions will be there. You have to answer any four. So this is the paragraph. I'm not reading it out for you. Just read it. Okay. And these are the multiple questions. The approach of biological control includes the four options. You have to choose any one. Okay. And then comes the second, two diseases less likely to occur in a region with plenty of dragonflies are. Okay, these are the four options. Got it? Then we have this third, dragonflies indicate positive ecological impact as. Okay, the options. Answers I'll be sharing it with you. Okay, and this is the fourth one. The most effective stages in the life cycle of dragonfly that eradicate mosquitoes are this. Then fifth, because you only have to answer any four. So fifth is releasing dragonflies in areas where there is an outbreak of malarial disease can be an environment friendly method of control. The reason, dragonflies are dominant species and will not allow mosquitoes to reproduce. And there are four options. Okay? Let's come to 16th question. Again a paragraph on sickle cell anemia. Okay? You can see, just read it. I'm focusing it. Okay. 16 is completed. Next we come to the questions based on that. So this is the first one. 5 will be there as I told you above. Okay, sickle cell anemia is a or an what sort of disease? If both parents have sickle cell trait, then there is dash of the child having sickle cell anemia. This is the third one. Okay, if both parents have sickle cell trait, then there is dash of the child having sickle cell trait. Fourth is if one parent has sickle cell anemia, the other has sickle cell trait, there is dash that the children will have sickle cell anemia and dash will have sickle cell trait. So the risks you have to, and the fifth one is a bar graph. So just read it, you can see it. So any four you will have to attempt. Okay. So over here 16 questions we complete. Okay children. Then we move to the last portion. Okay. Patients with sickle cell disease are more likely to be infected with malaria. All these options are given and choose from below which two alternatives are correct. You can see. So you'll have to choose from here. Next we come to section B. Section B, these are the questions which carries 2 marks. You can see 17th. Okay, state the composition and principle of oral pills as a contraceptive measure. Taking the example of Saheli. Karyotype of a child shows trisomy of chromosome number 21. Identify the disorder and state the symptoms which are likely to be exhibited in this case. 4 advantages of mycorrhizal association to plants. 20th, the methods to increase the competency of the bacterial cell membrane to take up recombinant DNA, or there's an option, okay, bioreactors and large volumes of cultures maintained processed in them. Just see the questions. 21st, explain the role of enzymes in the extraction of DNA, okay, from rhizopus in its purest form. And what are sticky ends? Again goes to biotechnology. Okay, state their significance in recombinant DNA technology. PCR aids, ex situ conservation techniques, interference competition. Tropical regions are likely to have more biological diversity, temperate ones, and give two reasons to justify the statement. So, 25 questions from section B. Next, we move to section C. So, come to section C, 3 marks questions. Okay. So a fully developed fetus initiates its delivery from the mother's womb. Justify. Just check the questions yourselves, children. 27th, genotype of pea plant with violet flowers. Explain with the help of Punnett squares showing crosses. Flocks. You'll get an idea how to study, what sort of questions. Okay. First try answering all these questions. This is the 30th question. Got it? You can see the graph. And then finally this follows. Okay. Then we move to section D. Okay. 5 marks questions. Section D. Just check it. Menstrual cycle से question है. Okay. This is the figure. Name the correct part, A, B or C, D. Okay. What does it show? Act as temporary endocrine gland and substantiate your answer. Why is it also called the functional junction? Mention the role of B in the development of embryo and name the fluid surrounding the developing embryo. How is it misused for sex determination? Okay. And then, yes, we move to the last questions. 32nd question. Evaluate the suitability of DNA and RNA as genetic material and justify the suitability, okay, of the one that is preferred as an ideal genetic material. Explain. Everywhere there's an option for 5 marks questions. You can see that. Okay, Watson and Crick model. Then again, name the disease in which the patient cell lose the property of contact inhibition. Okay, and ELISA test. So with this, all the questions are complete. Okay, sample paper ka. And now I will share the answers. I'll just focus on it. I'm not reading out the answers so that you can check it yourself whether you have answered it correctly or not. Okay, this is section A. Okay. So 15 answers are over here. These are the option ones. Okay. 5 में से जो 4 करने थे, case studies 15 and 16, that is there. Okay. So do it yourself and then check it. Then comes section B, the answers. I'm sharing it so that you know कि कौन से question के साथ क्या लिखना है. Okay. You should understand that. Otherwise you'll write pages and pages and you won't be getting marks. So be to the point, what is asked, and that is why this is shared. Got it? Okay. Yes. So we have already shared up till 22nd. Restriction enzymes cut the strand of DNA a little away from the center. Okay. Of the palindromic sites hoga. Yes, of the palindromic sites, but between the same two bases. Okay. Then we come to 23rd. Yeah, 24th. ठीक है 26th. This is continuation of 26th. Then comes 27th, that cross. Okay, I'll focus it a little more. Hope it's all right. Okay. 28th answer. This is 29th. जेनेटिक मटेरियल वाला क्वेश्चन है. Okay. One line continuation from the last question, 29th. Then we come to 30th. This is the last answer from section C. Okay. Then we come to section D, and here we have the 5 marks questions. This video will become little big, but I can't help it. That is why I stopped reading out the questions. Okay. So this is okay. I'll focus once more. 31st question. फिर ये है आपका और वाला part. You can just stop the videos and see. Okay. 31. Then it comes to 32. This is our Watson and Crick model. Okay. Continuation. The Y replication fork. This diagram is there in your book. You can always check it if it's not clearer over here. Okay. Yeah. And the last question. We move to 33rd. Okay. Yeah. It's clear. This is the last question. Option. Okay, children, with this we come to the end. Thank you to all those who have subscribed, and do subscribe for those who have not subscribed, because as I told you, I'll be posting quite many important things for you as the board exam comes nearer. Okay, so, and share and like. Thank you for watching.